If you feel overwhelmed about how to save money, then you are not alone. While some may think saving money is relatively straightforward, 1 in every 5 Americans have nothing saved at all. So, even though spending money is arguably more exciting, you should consider saving money a priority. And there are plenty of ways to save money that don't involve making sacrifices either. Sometimes the best way to start saving is simply to become more aware of your finances and spending habits. With an understanding of your budget and your true needs, you may start putting away more money than you ever expected. So now let's discuss about 5 simple hacks which can end up you saving a ton of money. Number 1. Record your expenses. The first step towards saving is to figure out how much money do you spend. Keep a track of all your expenses, that means every coffee, household item and a cash tip. And once you have your data ready, organize the numbers by categories such as gas, groceries and mortgage and total up the amount. Make sure to use your credit card and bank statements so that you are accurate. Number 2. Budget for savings. Once you get an idea of how much money do you spend in a month, then you can begin to organize your recorded expenses into a workable budget. Your budget should outline how your expenses measure up to your income so that you can plan your spending and limit your overspending. Be sure to factor in expenses that occur regularly but not every month, such as maintenance of your car. Number 3. Find ways you can cut your spending. If your expenses are so high that you can't save as much money as you would like, it might be time to cut back. Identify non-essentials that you can spend less on, such as entertainment and dining out. Look for ways to save on your fixed monthly expenses like television and your cell phone too. Here are some ideas for trimming everyday expenses. Use resources such as community event listings to find free or low cost events to reduce entertainment spending. Cancel subscriptions and memberships you don't use, especially if they renew automatically. Commit to eating out only once a month and make a list of places that fall into the cheap eats category. Give yourself a cooling off period, which means that whenever you are tempted by a non-essential purchase, wait for a few days before making any buying decision. Number 4. Set saving goals. One of the best ways to save money is to set a goal. Start by thinking of what you might want to save for. Perhaps you are getting married, planning a vacation, or saving for your retirement. Then figure out how much money you will need and how long it might take you to save it. There are two types of savings. One is short term and the other one is long term. If you want to save money for a vacation or for the down payment of your car, these types of savings will be considered as short term. On the other side, if you want to save money for down payment on a home or for your child's education, and also if you want to save up for a retirement, then these type of savings will be considered as long term. If you are saving for retirement or for your child's education, consider putting that money into an investment account such as an IRA. While investments come with risks and can lose money, they also create the opportunity for growth when the market grows and could be appropriate if you plan for an event far in advance. Number 5. DIY everything. Before you take out the cash to pay for a new backsplash, fancy light fixture or a bench, think about doing it by yourself. Usually the cost of materials and a simple Google or YouTube search will save you a ton of money on your latest home project. Plus, you won't have to pay someone to do something that can most likely you can do by yourself. And whenever you need to do some DIY work or any kind of work, borrow what you need from a friend or from a neighbor instead of going out and paying for it. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you can get notifications for our upcoming videos on money management, saving and investing. Thank you.